That's why these are the locals walking.
Good morning!
Walking the
Good
dogs.
morning! Good morning!
Good morning, everyone. Another
morning.
glorious morning. It is blue sky everywhere.
Yes, it's our second day here at Ilkley. Second day at Ilkley. So we're gonna walk to town today, and we're gonna walk up to the moor as well. We're gonna spend here the whole day. Stop for a drink, for a coffee, for a meal, for an ice cream, for a rest. So that's the plan today, guys. Today is Wednesday today. Yeah, I think it's Wednesday today, and it's our second day here. We had a lovely day yesterday.
Gorgeous. And it's a leisurely day today for us.
You can see that on our video. So thank you for watching. Walk with Arlen. So weather is brilliant, the weather is good. We're walking down on steps and look at that, the weather. So it's beautiful here. Oh, like, wait. Oh, wait, just show that. Oh, very good.
Should have taken a picture of you to the peak.
Look at this. It's a perfect one. Gerald's gonna go up onto the bridge and he's gonna give us a wave, guys, okay? He's gonna give you a wave, all of you, my YouTubers friends. Wait for Jerry. He's gonna go up, he's running up on that bridge and he's gonna give us a wave. So shout out to my friends, Team Sugod, and also to my team Mouse Vloggers. And there you are, he's there. He's waving. Very good, He just gave us a wave. And also shout out to my Nanay Adeline, House of Adeline, and also my tita Gemma Padilla. Shout out to you. Ayan, tatlo na kaming YouTuber. We're gonna be a YouTuber family soon. Okay, let's carry on now for walks. I'm not gonna do all the videos because we're gonna do part by part, like when we're in town center and also when we go to the Ilkley Moor. Okay, so thank you, and close for now. This is at the park now. We're just walking at the park, and they have a pub everywhere. Pub here, fish and chips, ice creams, toilets as well, public toilets around here. And yeah, it's a riverside bar. Of course, it's by the river. And that's the river. And the park is ahead of me here, the park. Okay. Oh, let's take a video of it. Oh no, it's an old ferry. Never mind. See the ground of this church. It's the town center. We're going ahead over there. So we're just passing this church here. That's why I'm visualizing this. One of the church, I'm sure. This is the high streets of Ilkley, including Jerry's. I said this is the high street of Ilkley, including Jerry's. I've been to that shop. I think the men's is upstairs. Do you want to look? It's up to you. That fat face shop. Right, another church, guys. Okay, Spire Street. And if you want to see what I'm having ice cream. The coffee shop.
Yeah, people go in, well, to do like snacks and meals, and I don't do it like that. bit like they'll do toasties and sandwiches. Church people, wives,
More shops on the square of the square. This is a square, and there's still some shopping, restaurants, and big car park as well. Manor House, we see you here. Okay, let's see what's in here. Never been here. The old castle. Okay. The manor house originating in 14th century and formerly known as the castle. This mainly 17th century house was built on the remains of the Roman fort. By 1804, it was divided into two cottages. In 1955, it was separated from the Venetian when first inaugurated in the community. It was converted into the art gallery and museum in 1968. So this is it, guys, the manor house museum.